almost, well, at least start the structure for the stairs. Oh, but basically, I have to put a metal support system here on these cement beams so that it can receive electromia, the mesh, metal mesh, and so then we can block out the stairs and pour them. So that will be this next week, getting those beams in, and then simultaneously we're going to clear out some of this dirt here to make room for the platform which is going to go there, because the first 3 steps go completely across and the platform begins after the 3 steps. So we have to clear out some of that dirt in order to make room for it. Yeah, lots to do. Okay, I post Instagram stories a lot, and I was cutting some metal without safety glasses, and everyone yelled at me. So here we go. Safety glasses it is, guys. So we're doing the stairs. As you can see, we already have some of the metal welded on there. So, you know, first I cut the pieces and I welded them into the angle for the stairs. And then we welded them on here. And then we have another section that we're gonna do here. Weld some more angles on there and then connect the 2 sides here with rebar and some square tubing. Oh god, dizzy. Oh god. Stood up too fast. Okay, it's very hot out. Very, very hot. I am trying to drink at least 3 bottles of water a day here. Yay! So, first thing was to put these guys on, these angles here, and then putting these middle braces on, and then smaller pieces of rebar in between. This column is where the center of the stairs are going to be, so there's going to be stairs going this way, and then there's going to be stairs going this way across the mountain. After I get this rebar welded up on all of them, then I'm going to put rebar that goes diagonal all the way here and at the top, and then we'll be able to wrap it in electromia and pour the concrete, because this is going to be all poured concrete. Oh my god, I am so done with this part of the project. These stairs have been an absolute nightmare. This is a job that should have taken a few days, and here I am 2 weeks out and it's not done. I've explained that there is a power problem here. I mean, granted, I'm in the middle of the goddamn jungle. That's different. Like, we're running power like so far. I don't even know how far it is. The steel that I'm welding, this rebar, is thick and requires a lot of amperage in order to get the right penetration so that it welds good. So we don't have enough amperage to really weld it. But here I am, struggling with every weld to get it to work. It's so good. I've never had this many problems with welding in my entire life. It's really frustrating. I can't even begin to explain. I have one more stupid goddamn row to go, and then I will be done. Never have I had these amount of problems, but then granted, I've never welded a big structure in the middle of the jungles of Guatemala. So, always something new. And it's not even just the welding, it's also the rain. like it's raining right now. Like I've been welding in the rain. I've been welding with wet metal. Today I just got so sick of not getting work done, because there's many days that I've come here and worked for part of the day, and then it starts raining, and then I get stranded here. Like I literally can't go. Like I sit inside of the Temescal and I wait for the rain to stop, because I can't move. First of all, I can't move the welder back up into the bodega where I'm supposed to lock it, and what the hell was I saying? And yeah, and so I can't weld, because I can't really, I mean, I'm not, I'm welding in the rain today, but it was downpouring, I can't ruin the welder, even though I want to sometimes. It's wet season. Hi, Chelsea, it's wet season. You're in Guatemala. Hello. It's gonna rain every single day. Oh yeah, and then another thing. So on one of the days that it didn't rain all day, I was thought it would be a good idea to work late. So I worked late, and of course, I was tired. I was working late here alone, and I just was making putting these pieces up, and I was all the way down below. And yeah, and I just, I had my welding helmet on, and when it's up, you don't really see everything up there. So I walked into the piece really fast and smacked my head really hard. I couldn't see for 15 seconds. And I had this huge bump on my head and a terrible headache, and I broke my helmet. I broke the speed glass, and it's not like I can find those helmets all over. So I had to go to the city to get a new helmet. Oh my goodness. Oh, and then I tried welding with an all dark helmet, which, sounds, badass and fun, but with all the other complications that I have here, with the power and the space and how difficult it is, and the rain and everything, I don't need to weld in the dark, guys. I have enough problems. There's enough things going wrong. Just give me a welding helmet that works. I just need it, and I just gave up. I stopped working last Friday. I can't do it. I can't be here anymore. I can't do this shit. I can't. When you just know what you're capable of, and yet what is happening is so far below that, my whole spirit just dies, And after a week of it, I feel like I'm what am I doing with my life? But I have one more to go. Stupid row. Tomorrow, done. This rain it's over. Day's over. So everything's wet. Everything's terrible. This is the worst part of the project. This is the worst. Everything else, there's been hard stuff, but this is beyond these stairs. God damn you. God damn you, stairs. I don't know if I can handle it anymore. I'm losing my mind over here. Ah! It's done! Whee! My God, that was terrible. That was the worst metal job I ever did. But everything's fine. It's very secure. It's not going anywhere. There we have it. After 2 weeks of work, one welding helmet broken, many small electrocutions, lots of frustration. It's ready for the concrete. Jesus Christ, guys. My goodness, that was really frustrating. Pretty sweet though. Success here. Real achievement we got here. Real achievement here. Now let's cover it up. Yeah!